Hi guys, welcome to Stories of Lash. Today we're stepping into the Movenpick Hotel, Colombo. So we got a room on the 22nd floor. We're looking for it. And yeah, there it is. 2205. And here we go. And this will be a room for the next 2 days. I would say the space is comparatively bigger than the others. They also have an infinity pool which faces the ocean and which is right on the rooftop. They also have a gymnasium, they also have spa salon, and also they have a salon. And the best part was that we were able to capture the sunset, which was so beautiful to look at. So we booked a room with breakfast. They only had breakfast and bed opportunities because of COVID. They do not have buffet. They have a la carte menu. So this is what we got, and everything was super refreshing and hot and fresh. So winding up the video, we had a truly amazing experience at the Movenpick Hotel Colombo. I would give it 10 out of 10 for the hospitality, ambience, service, vibe, food, and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and like this video. Bye bye.